What is long COVID-19? Most people who are affected by the coronavirus usually recover completely within a few weeks. But, some people have long-term problems for weeks or months after their initial recovery, which is called long COVID-19. These health issues are sometimes called post-COVID-19 conditions. Common signs and symptoms that remain over time include shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, palpitations, chest pain or joint pain, problems with memory, concentration and sleep problems, loss of smell or taste, depression or anxiety, fever, dizziness when you stand. Long COVID symptoms are more common in people who were very sick or ended up in hospital. There is currently no definitive diagnosis or treatment for long COVID, but it is predicted to be available in the future. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like the video and share with your friends. If you want to know more about natural treatments, subscribe to the channel.